I was dreaming of purchasing my perfect car. Researching models and specifications online was easy, but I needed more. I needed to know how much it would cost to service the vehicle. What would the maintenance expenditure calculate to with the mileage I do per year? How will the model's value depreciate? In all, I needed to know the total cost of ownership of my dream car. Then I found the MAPO mobile app. I quickly said goodbye to these uncertainties and turned my dream into reality. Filtering thousands of models and specifications, I easily discovered the one that perfectly matched my needs. Effortlessly accessed precise and up-to-date service costs, maintenance expenses, total cost of ownership, and parts pricing, all conveniently from my mobile device. My advice to you: stay informed, plan effectively, and approach your next vehicle purchase with confidence. Your dream car is closer than you think. Get the MAPO mobile app now.